Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I've got with me the iPhone 15 Pro. Not the Max, just the Pro. And I'm going to unbox it. And in a future video, I'm going to compare it with the phone that's recording right now, which is the Pixel 8 Pro. They're very similar in price, actually. The 15 Pro, the Pro Max is much more expensive, but the Pro in Australia, just the Pro, is similar in price. So we'll compare the camera and all that stuff. But anyway, let's unbox and we'll have a look what's inside the box, and then the next video will be a camera comparison. So let's get started. So here's the box. Pretty cool seeing all the specs. Anyways, let's unbox the phone. We'll have a look what's inside and yeah, give it a go. Pull the tabs. Let's see what's inside. Looks really nice in blue. Very small. I've heard it's much lighter this year too, so let's have a feel of the weight. Yeah, it's quite light this year. Awesome. Oh, it's like a little kid's toy in my hand. But yeah, there's the cameras. Let's have a little closer look at the cameras on this phone. I think this is the ultra wide. I wonder if we'll get macro focus. Anyway, that's the ultra wide, that's the wide, then that's the zoom. And then you got your LiDAR sensor, and then your flash and your microphone. Let's see what else we got in the box. USB-C to C charge cable, and then we just got the typical paperwork, the Apple logo, SIM eject tool, and then your regulatory stuff. Oh, interesting. Well, I think from here we'll set up this phone and we'll do a camera comparison, so that'll be the next video. Hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And yeah, let me know if you have anything you want to see on the phone. Camera review coming next. Subscribe for it. See you guys in the next video. Lens Addict out.